So you need to understand that you represent an ancient enemy in another person's mind. It is why several people dislike you. It is the memory of judgments that they have received, embarrassments that they've received, humility that has happened to them further back than where you are. But you sort of look like the entity that did this to them. This is when someone naturally dislikes you or comes back around to disliking you no matter what you do to them or for them. The reason I'm sharing this understanding with you is you need to be okay with this and let them settle. Let them settle. After some time, they will recognize you as a human. You need to let them untangle themselves from their past. You need to let them, assuming it's a normal person, if they're attacking you, kill them. Do not assume everyone is a good person. It should be that there's a bad person. Should be. But should you find it happening mega often with various people, like 20 people or something like that? Let them settle. Let them settle. A human being has gone through a lot of trauma. It is part of being a human. A human being is flawed. It is part of what makes them a human. And annoying as it is, you gotta let them settle from seeing you as the great destroyer, the conqueror, the oppressor, all of these past entities that like really bullied them, put their face down in the mud and crushed them. You are Napoleon to someone, you are Hitler to someone, you are Alexander the Great to someone, but not in a good way. So you have to let them calm down. Your task in life is actually gracefully navigating people fighting you back wrongly. That's your actual task in life, because they have mistaken you for an ancient enemy.